dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
Alright, my correct people, now welcome back to my Ogbonge channel, Reality Latest Gist. As I dey give una back-to-back update and information as it dey hot. My people, I don't carry what matter concerning Okpebholo, Okpebholo's aide. They don't come out go attack the Attorney General of Federation, Gbas, on suspicion of the Edo State local government chairperson. Hey, my people, you don't say it again, but before I go bring the mentor, I go like welcome all our amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for joining. And those who they join on today wonderful news for the first time, you guys are highly welcome. Kindly proceed to subscribe, like, comment, share, but make una not forget to turn notification bell so that anytime our news drop, now you could be the first to watch them. All right, my people, make a yarn the mentor. A member of Edo State Local Government Administrative Panel of Inquiry, my people, praise Kasima February. Don't come out and describe the comments wey be say the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice Lateef Fagbemi made on the suspension of the chairman of the 18 local government council in Edo State by the House of Assembly as misleading and injurious to the collective psyche of Edo people. Kasima February stated this in a statement in defense of the suspension. You guys can recall a petition by the state governor Okpebholo wherein he accused the council chairman of gross misconduct and insubordination. So the State House of Assembly on Tuesday, 17 December, went ahead to suspend the council chairman and their deputy for a period of 2 months. But Lateef Fagbemi, when speaking to the journalists on Thursday in Abuja, described the suspension of the chairman and their vice as illegal and unconstitutional. He said that only councillors have the prerogative to either remove or suspend from office any elected local government officials in the country. So he said his initial reluctance to react to the development was because he never knew the facts. So he wanted to know the basis upon which the officials of the local government council in Edo State were reportedly suspended before he go proceed and make no react before. So he went ahead to say that his position as an Attorney General of the Federation was based on the 11th July judgment of the Supreme Court that granted autonomy to the 774 local governments in the country. That one thing that he know and he can say without fear is that under the present dispensation, the governor, Okpebholo, has no right to remove any local government chairman. But however, in this reaction, don't come out go attack Attorney General of the Federation, Lateef Fagbemi. He say the local government law of the state empowers the State House of Assembly and the governor to check activities of their elected officials. But when he went through what the Attorney General of the Federation said about the suspension of the local government chairman in Edo State, in line with the relevant provision of Edo State Local Government Law 2000, that he picked hole in the hasty manner the Attorney General of the Federation issue. He said the Attorney General of the Federation issued a fiat without considering the implication of the law, that the judgment of the Supreme Court of Nigeria on autonomy of the local government, particularly financial autonomy, does not especially cede the power of the House of Assembly to the local government and that of the legislative house. Some everybody said that for sure, say in no say there are existing law for local government administration across the country enacted by the State House of Assembly, whose power to make such law derive from the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That Edo State local government law was enacted in the year 2000 in exercise of the power vested in the House of Assembly as expressly stated in the 1999 Constitution. So, in the discharge of their responsibility, the local governments are guided by relevant provision of such law that in line with the provision of the Section 20 of the Edo State Local Government Act and other provisions, that the governor, Okpebholo, in consultation with the House of Assembly, expressed concern over the of the chairman, and they reported same to the House that in exercise of the power vested in the Assembly as contained in the Local Government Act 2000 as amended, that the House of Assembly subjected the issue to debate at the plenary and a majority vote supported the suspension of the local government chairman for a period of 2 months in line with the provision of the law, while allowing the Speaker of the Legislative House to take over in acting capacity. So the use of the word removed by the Attorney General, that is a most ambiguous and unfortunate. Now, what the Edo Assembly did was to suspend the chairman to allow for investigation of their finances while allowing their speakers to act in the various local government areas. So right now, he wants to make it clear to everyone and to the Attorney General of the Federation that suspension is different from removal, and the imputation of the Attorney General that the chairman cannot be removed contradicted what Edo House of Assembly has done. My people don't be small mas bozo. So if they talk that say, may the Attorney General know say the chairmen have not been removed, rather they were suspended. Say make you no use that word remove because Mondo Okpebholo no remove them. The House of Assembly did not remove them, rather they suspended them for the period of 2 months. My people don't be small wala. That's in line with the law that the suspension is to last for 2 months. In the first instance, while the investigation into the financial activities by the Administrative Panel of Inquiry subsists, so it is misleading for the Attorney General to rush to town without taking a judicial notice of the rationale for this decision. I've always said in the first place that what they have done in Edo State does not offend the verdict of the Supreme Court with respect to financial autonomy. The law is what it is, that the law is factual, is evidential and instructive. So the legislative house serves as checks and balance for local government chairmen and the administration. That after the investigation, depending on the outcome and findings, that some of the chairmen will be restored to their position, while others may lose their position. So it is injurious to their collective psyche for the Attorney General to hurriedly conclude that the chairmen of those local governments were removed instead of stating the real status of what they have done. That suspension is what they did. Right now, don't come out correct the negative impression that was created by the misplaced Gbos of the Attorney General of the Federation. But I would like made the Attorney General of the Federation take note of the following observation: that are there no laws governing the relationship between the state government and the local government? That the answer is yes. You can even ask another question: whether the SC judgment on financial autonomy of the local government come to destroy all such laws? Everybody said no, that to the extent that the Constitution as an organic law cannot cover every conceivable area of governance, that should there not be other law to cover areas that the Constitution cannot possibly and practically cover? It talks it go cover. The answer is yes. So my people can argue say the contention that only the legislative arm of the local government that can check the council financial recklessness is nebulous and therefore unconceiving. So he stated further that those who try to equate the relationship between the federal government and the state government with that which exists between the state government and a local government are merely engaging in mischief, that the Attorney General is merely playing to the gallery. So let those who are not comfortable with what the Edo State government has done in the matter of suspension, that they should go to court and challenge the step. That the Attorney General is not the court and his opinion remains his opinion. The local government chairman remains suspended until they are done with the investigation. So procuring an invalid and nebulous injunction will not stop their action. But don't be sporty though. Second, so like me gonna chook work for this matter. Me gonna tell me what I think for this matter in our comment section. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like, comment next. Bye for now.